Welcome back, everybody, to episode 3 of Moonbound Marauders. In this episode, we're going to be finishing up the third solar tower, working on the manufacturer building and getting it up and running and connecting it to the grids, all while chasing unknown signals and trying not to kill each other. So let's get to it. Hey, everybody. I have to interrupt this current episode because we actually ended up losing some footage. And right now I'm kind of giving you a little bit of a spoiler of a release that's eventually coming out, because I'm currently standing on a project I'm working on for the next commercial, which is a Gray Star Station, their headquarters. Sad that I lost this footage, but it's taught me to actually back up and turn on file history now. So hopefully no more lost videos. But in this footage that we don't have now, it was my wife trying to kill me, or so I thought, with a grinder. I finished building the third solar tower, and I ended up connecting the manufacturing base to the grid, so all the grids are connected right now. And I think that's basically everything that happened.
Speaking of which, I have an unknown signal already.
I didn't have my HUD on.
Ladies first.
I'm gonna connect this rover to the manufacturing real quick, just a quick little way, similar to the way that I did the base connection on the other side. Actually, let's do this block. We're gonna need more steel plates, so let's go get that real quick. Solar tower is looking good. That is awesome. How are you doing? Hi. Let's get some materials. Get like... No, that's not what I want. That's good. That's good. Stupid Christmas song stuck in my head.
What Christmas song?
Is a season. Okay, I'm gonna put a conveyor junction right there. And what do I want? A hinge. Right there. Another hinge. Be too close. No, should be good. And then we want the connector. My bars are all sorts of messed up right now. I will fix them eventually. I would work on getting conveyors all up. So once we do that, we can have the drone start depositing to this building.
That's like the roof area.
Try to be our major progress episode here. Episode 3, major progress. That would be the name of it. Major progress reporting for duty. By the way, in the comments, you don't have to tell me I'm not funny. I already know that.
I don't think so.
Oh, no, I do think I'm funny. It doesn't help that I have like a son and daughter that back me up, or a 5-month-old son that obviously laughs at everything.
He does not count.
He does count. That's how I judge my humor. That's how all people should judge their humor. Does it? Can you make a 5-month-old laugh? 5-month-old? That doesn't make sense.
5-month-old.
5-month-old.
Technically, almost 6, because he will be 6 months on Friday. His half birthday.
I don't even know what today is.
Tuesday.
Sure about that?
No, I was not sure for a second.
That's not what I want. I want you first.
Days get all messed up when kids don't have school.
Yeah. Okay, now you. I love Build Vision so much. Oh, a little aggressive there. Yeah, let's just bonk it a little bit out of the way. Actually, we can just park it like that as I see sparks fly. Okay, now we will hinge lock this. Share inertia and tensioner. Inertia. Tensioner. Whatever. Does that line up? It's ready to lock. Look at that. Perfect. Turn on these batteries. Crawler batteries on. Hidden. I don't want to see hidden stuff. Oh yeah, our little spider. We gotta name this little dude. Also, what color do you want him?
I don't know.
I'm about to make him pink.
Oh, yes.
Just to make a little girl happy. I think that's what we'll do.
Pinkify everything.
No. I can't tell if this is pink right now. No, that's pink. Pink spider. There we go. Now I need to get this color back. Just have a random pink spider on the top of the crawler. Okay, let me work on naming some of this stuff, because all this stuff in the manufacturing building's not dealt with. Do the smart thing first. All these connectors are not used for parking. How's everything going over here? You fixed up.
The conveyor.
Okay. I'm gonna work on this then, because there's a O2H2 in here, conveyor junction, that I'm gonna fix in the little sub system area. Also, I'm gonna grab that unknown signal. I'm gonna dump parts and then go grab that unknown signal. What if we just keep this over here separate from the conveyor, or the main conveyor of the main grid?
Separate.
The substation.
I don't
That
know.
would be a pain to conveyor it up.
Yeah.
Well, not really if we did it to the manufacturing. Okay, dump all this and unknown signal time. Ooh, mines in space.
I have one on the planet this time, thankfully.
Maybe yours will be on the planet this episode.
Good, because I don't want any more with thrusters or flying or watching it fall to the ground and blowing up.
Come here, button.
What?
Come here, button. You're not button. I don't know why you would answer.
I didn't hear you.
Oh yeah,
so
don't
I
fly
said
at
what?
things. I don't know if I've ever told that to you, but don't ever fly directly at what you're flying towards.
Why?
Always pick like off to the side. Doesn't have a
that's
thrust.
how I almost flew into it.
Yeah, I never give you that warning. It seems a little obvious though.
Well,
Rainbow
obviously it was not.
rifle. Put the money away. Put this away.
Oh, I almost died.
You almost died. How?
Because I wasn't paying attention.
To what?
My suit power.
Oh, how'd you almost die though? It
I
warned you.
was at 5.
Oh, it didn't warn you at all.
It did. But I didn't care because I was getting the unknown signal.
I mentioned in the last episode, but the Dobsy Dundon. I'm just gonna call him Dobsy now. Dobsy doing some audio lines for a suit mod. Funny, just be like, "You're about to die. Your suit has no energy." He'd probably just put VIX in all the lines somehow.
Probably.
Yeah, I've done some of my projects. Everything's connected up that I wanted connected up. We just need to get this building up and running. No, I'm doing some ice runs. That's what I'm doing. Getting some power. Well, I'd like to get some in that other O2H2 in the actual sub area, and we have those 2 engines.
Yeah.
That could run and get our power recharged. I would like to get a lot of our batteries close to full charge.
Yeah, that would be awesome. All right. Did I get all the conveyors over here?
I'll come check after this ice run.
I think I did, but I'm not quite sure.
I will come inspect your work. I am here. Here I am. Did you get the O2H2?
Yeah.
Why is this broken? That doesn't look right.
What?
There are two O2H2s? What's this?
I don't know.
An air vent. That doesn't need to get fixed. That goes to the O2. You don't have to worry about that O2H2. Because that's just going to make the building airtight.
Too late, I already
what's going to matter is the ones that were in here, because this is going to go to a container. You repaired a container? Nice. So we have a cargo container on here. And I will place the DLC one.
Yes.
Because that looks like it goes here. I wouldn't know though, because I've never seen this building before. Some of these blocks need to be repaired though. Some of these bent ones aren't going to allow it to sit in there. I'm going to get some steel. I think it's steel. We need this to place it.
Yeah, it's just steel plates.
No, I need interior plates.
For what?
To place the container.
Oh. I'll just grab the steel plate.
I'm going to see if I can place this real quick without repairing them. No, I can place it. Is that the right orientation?
This still needs fixed, so.
Oh, yeah. But if I can get this in there, that gives you something to work on. Eventually, I'm going to have to add the fourth dimension. No, I'm going to have to add fourth solar tower. I had actually way more room than I thought I did. I could get a bunch of solar towers up here. So container, are you repairing that container?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, then I'll work on getting, well, actually, let me work on getting power modules. Power efficiency modules are going to allow us to run that refinery. And that's going to take all the power cells that we have. So let me place these real quick. We have steel plates in there?
I believe it's making them.
I'm taking these 13. I don't know how much you queued up. What did I just do? One, two, three, four. Add them to my build planner. I build planar. Ow. And then queue them up. I'm kind of scared to see what our production looks like right now, though.
I don't know. It's not really making anything, but we have iron. So.
Is the inventory full? It shouldn't be.
No.
That's not how you spell assembler. Yeah, Izzy should be doing good stuff. We do not have, or do we have iron?
I saw it.
1,000, yeah. So why aren't you, it says disabled. Why is it disabled? That's industrial. You're queuing it up in the industrial assembly, that's why.
I didn't mean to.
Because you're not using build planner. You're just trying to queue up plates.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now, since the industrial assembler is up and online, when you go into production, that's going to take over the main. So on the left-hand side of production, you'll see it say industrial assembler. That's going to be the main assembler now. Yeah, so I'm going to make it like a little docking area on the top of this. I could actually switch that conveyor to a something. I can switch that conveyor to a connector. You're worrying about repairing all that right now? I thought you were going to build the...
I'm going to.
I know. The power modules. That's what I'm doing. That looks ugly. I'll deal with that one day. That's the motto of this series, is I will get to that eventually.
Sure.
I see the windows in this thing and I just want to fly through them because they look like I could just go through them. check your progress real quick. Doing good, little digger. I'm proud of you for being a very underwhelming drone. You're doing a great job. I wish you got thruster components that one time from that unknown signal.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Bye.
We'll eventually switch those over to yield modules when we're good on power here. Unknown signal. Hi. Oh, almost right into the drone.
That's smart.
No, it's not. Okay, I'm gonna take a break. Go after that unknown signal. Because I don't have anything in my inventory. Where was that? Oh, not run into that. My hope is to keep going to these unknown signals and then an NPC just pops up because you're traveling out and it spawns. Hello. Give me something good. Or not. Don't give me anything, thank you. Gotta get friendly with the space bars because then we could probably go over there and buy a data pad.
Yeah.
And then find other things. Or get a ship so we could venture out. That's really what I want. It's just a basic scout ship. How's the rover doing right now? I might take a little trip in this episode. It's fully charged. Yep, we are going to be taking a trip. After get the power modules all done.
What?
After I get these power modules on the refinery done.
Oh.
Oh, we're gonna need power modules on the assembler too. I just used steel plates for that. I did. Go away, you. Oh, I need a steel plate. Are these batteries almost dead? Recharge in 38 days.
Alright, I finished that thing.
What thing?
The container, whatever. Right? Yeah.
Basic assembler.
The large industrial cargo container.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah, I'm probably gonna switch that out to connector. And get the drone depositing to there before I leave on my adventure. Is that going to cause any problems with this base? No, but we can shut off the basic refinery and assembler and transfer stuff to conserve power. So now that refinery should not be pulling that much power. Control panel. Power efficiency 500%. Its max required is 112 kilowatts. So yeah. We'll get 4 of those on the assembler too. Will be awesome. That means I'm gonna have to actually dig underneath the assembler. But I'm not doing that right now. You want me to get the drone set up?
For what?
Or do you want me to wait to get back? To start coming over here. And because that refinery is actually going to run way better.
Yeah, if you want to do that, that's fine.
We're going to need an outside connection though of this base. Is this piped up? No. I would say you could grab stuff from there. You can grab stuff from here. No, you can't. That's not conveyored up. There needs to be a conveyor between these two, which apparently got broke. I'll go grab the parts for it. Okay, now we could, once I get this docked up, and this needs to become a connector. I really love these new connectors. We got like 2 more days from the time we're recording this right now until the announcement that I'm hoping is more than just some tiny little 1-minute video teaser.
Yeah, right.
He just needs to get a little bit better at hyping things up, not just keep repeatedly showing the same videos over and over again. Don't get me wrong, I love this game, but I feel like their marketing team is just not doing the right thing. Yeah, we have... Hi. We have commercials coming. I'm currently working on, which I think I stated before, but the Gray Star main headquarters. And I'm working on a commercial for Gray Star, which is the company that we're currently in their buildings. But to introduce them and then start producing buildings. I'm still doing Volsung Industries. I actually have a few things from Volsung Industries I need to release still. The missile frigate and orbital station, which if you're part of the Discord, you would have seen both of those already. I really want to get that drone. How much more does it have to do? No, I'm going to go on my adventure and that drone should be fine. Okay, adventure time. Where direction? Do you think I should head towards the beacon? I don't think I should head towards the beacon.
What beacon?
The pirate beacon.
Oh.
Let's check our range of these spotlights real quick. That's not how you spell anything. Range up. Turn off my lights. There we go. Let's not run into that. Hi. Don't hit me. Don't punch me. I don't know why I was going to say don't punch me. I'm going to head over towards the ice. Well, I think it's a little easier of a trek that way. Unknown signal the other way. I love driving this vehicle. Bonk. I love scratching the paint on this vehicle. I think I have to head more south to get to the ice. I'm also hoping with doing this that I pop out, like an NPC pops up. Now I can't see anything. I'm headed towards darkness. That didn't sound good. Let's turn off that. Ice is to our right. Good thing we have a bunch of heavy armor underneath this thing and that bumper. Yeah, I might fill this thing up with ice while I beat it up on this little trek. I am bonking this thing a lot. This vehicle is on the workshop. Oh, I did not mean to go headfirst into that. But yeah, this vehicle's on the workshop. I'm working on getting the outpost up. And the world is on the workshop. That is so dark. I cannot see these drops I'm doing. Oh, that did not sound good.
You broke it.
It sounded like I broke something. Is anything actually broken? No. That did not sound good at all, though. It made evil sounds. Okay, heading to ice still. Been wanting to do this for a while. Let's go out driving. I fly a lot in this game, so it's nice to occasionally just drive a rover, especially on the moon. The moon is a different type of driving. The one where if you have a gyro, you can really shift your weight around. Okay, let's not ramp off like I just did a second ago. I don't want to hear that sound again. Oh, I did it again. What if we just full send it? Just full send it. We fixed this thing up, got it fully charged, and now we just go out and blow it up.
And wreck it? No. What'd be the point in that?
Climb right up this steep little thing, so I don't know what the top of this looks like. This is scary. I don't want to fall down though. So let's go this way. I see the ice now. We're just completely sideways on this little hill. No big deal. I wonder how this is gonna react heavy. I've never filled this up, like tested it with any cargo in it. Ice mining time. I really love those new modular cargos. Wait, does this thing have... It does have hydrogen engines. Turn you off. We don't want to use up the ice. We want to take the ice back to base. I don't want stone. Why can't I sleep in the cockpit?
It's not that time yet.
It is. No, where I am it is. It's 7.
It's 5:30.
Well, maybe when I get back, it'll be sleep time there. At least I'm heading towards sun. That way. I'm gonna have to raise the... or increase the strength. And back we go. Wow, that is heavy. Yeah, that gyro does not do as much now. Should probably take this a little slower than I was starting to. I said full send it, but I feel like that's not the right idea right now. In all my times flying over this way, I didn't actually look at the terrain. I just knew that there were some mountains. We're just gonna take our time though. Be smart. For once. Bonk. I say that and then I bonk. It was just a little bonk though. We're good. Okay, now which way do I have to go? Up this crazy looking mountain? That sounds like a great idea. What could go wrong?
Everything.
You should be here with me on this trip. That's why there's 2 cockpits.
Well,
I'm kidding. You didn't need to
you
come
left
with me.
without me.
I didn't actually need... I was just kidding. But for some adventures, that's why there are 2 cockpits on this.
Well, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Don't mock me. Do you know who I am?
No.
Okay. I don't know who I am either. I'm sliding down into a hole because I'm heavy. Come on, can we do it?
Yes, we can.
You're not here. I'm seeing a little bit of progress, and then I'm slipping. Which is going to be the best way out of here. I will get out of here. Or this is where I live now. What do we want? A little more power. And a little more friction. Come on. I know we're heavy. Okay. Let's just leave the wheel settings. That sounded great. I heard saw sparks. We'll leave those wheel settings till we get back. That looks like a giant crater, so I'm not going that way. I think I can see the base from here. I see the little miner. Is this a crater I'm next to? I can't even tell. I'm scared. We're so close to the base. Come on, gyro. Do your thing. But some people are watching are like, fail, crash, blow up. Am I missing? Yeah, I'm missing a whole I see some of the things missing. I'm missing parts of this vehicle right now.
Seriously, you broke it?
I mean, not broke it, it's still driving. But we did start in a very mountainous, hilly area. Hello, Digger. I'm back. Did you miss me? I missed me.
Weird.
You married me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm just gonna leave these wheel settings for now. Am I dumping off the ice here? Apparently I am. I can't see the back of the... What am I heading towards? I need a person behind me, like, saying, this way. I can see it now.
This way. That way. Nope. Wrong way.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Bent the thing by accident. Sleep time.
Is it?
One player's not in cryo/bed. One player's not in cryo/bed. It's past our bedtime. It's 9 o'clock.
Are you gonna do that every time one player is not in bed?
Every single time?
Yeah.
Probably. Sleeping. What's for breakfast? I'm dreaming about what's for breakfast.
I'm making breakfast.
Good morning. That's my coffee. Some nice cosmic coffee. That's how I get started in the day. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go,
At
go,
least
go.
you remember to drink your coffee today.
Yeah. At least I did that. Maybe you could just dump that in there and that'll start up both these engines. It's not a bad idea to get us some power. Recharge in 8 hours. I'm gonna take some of the ice from that and put it in those hydrogen engines. Gotta dump off those materials. Oh yeah. Before I do that, put away these. And then check the... It looks like it's still doing its thing. Hello. Wait. What did I just put? It doesn't matter what I just put in there. I'm gonna go check the drone's hole. It's almost in there. It's gonna grab more cobalt and iron. How are things going over here? Just repairing stuff.
Yeah.
Nice. I gotta think how I'm doing the stairs. I think off this way. Do some stairs. I look forward to cleaning all this up eventually. Okie dokie. I didn't just say that.
Okie dokie.
I'm gonna get some steel. I'm actually gonna grab a little bit from what you're repairing. And put some power on these. So when we switch over, we're very power happy. Actually, I could just get it from grinding under here. I have to do that from a different side though. Can I get the block from here? No. Okay. You under there. Is it not gonna let me? It is. And I weld them up and then replace the floors. Don't build these floors if you see missing floors in here.
Why?
Because I took them off to put the power modules in.
Wait, where?
Yeah, around the assembler.
Oh, okay. No, right now I'm worried about fixing like the walls and stuff. I haven't went to the floor yet.
I'll fix it out first, the bottom one. But underneath the assembler, I put a power module. I will also eventually change them over to speed modules. Those are still off, right? The assembler and the refinery?
Yes.
I had more parts for other ones. Hello. Yeah, I ran into a pole when I got inside. Of course you'd find that funny.
Oh yeah, you ran into something.
Hello. Ow.
You almost ran into me.
I tried to. I don't know why.
Why?
I don't know, and then I ran into the building. So
Well,
karma.
you deserve it.
I didn't take any damage though. Yeah, we're actually going to be better with power once we get these up and shut off the other stuff and switch the drone over to this building
Yeah.
than what we're currently doing.
Why can't we do that yet?
What do you mean, why can't we do it? I'm building these power modules.
Oh, so once you finish those, we can do it.
Yeah, I just got to build the connectors up there. I just got to set that up. But I have the drone. The drone's almost finished its job anyway. So it should time out perfectly, or time. It should work out. Something.
Perfectly.
I don't know. I'll probably edit that out. And if I didn't, you all get to hear my stupidity. Which by episode 3, it should be pretty normal. How is this doing? The connector's getting somewhat damaged. The docking one, it's gonna have the same issues on this top of the building. We're gonna have to watch too.
Yeah, I don't know why it needs to plop down the way it does.
It's not even, that's not the reason. It's what damages it. It's not the drop.
I know, it's the thrusters.
I purposely built it like that because there's a lot of my designs to where I build mistakes or faults. I like putting that in designs. Some people find that weird, but I like little things not to be perfect. Nothing can be perfect. Those obviously were purposely designed to be faulty, or that drone is, because we can't just have like the best drone right off the start. So yeah, we're good there. I'm gonna go check the drones. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna put these blocks back down. the floor blocks, and then we should be able to start using this. 1, a 2. I don't know why I said it like that. Okay. So check drone. It's in the hole right now, coming out. Should I let it finish this one before changing its job?
You don't really have to. We have a lot of stuff now.
We're also gonna have to switch that over to the other building.
Yeah.
Like the ingots and anything else. You could start grabbing.
I'm in space.
Never mind.
I'm coming back.
I haven't gotten a signal in a while. But let's look at ore. God, we still have so much cobalt. I want to take this iron and start putting iron over there and turn on that refinery. Also, to make sure everything's piped up. So, refinery. On. What is the assembler's power going to be like? Yeah, that's crazy. It's going to be like 230 kilowatts to run both of them.
Yeah.
That is so amazing. It really is. I'm actually going to turn them both on because their idle power is not that bad. Grab some more. Iron is what I want. I feel like I might have to pipe up that eventually. Or, I mean, that doesn't have to be. That's the docking place for that. The easiest place to hook that up would be actually the top one outside. Like there. Run that down and have a docking place right out here. Would probably be the best bet.
Yeah.
Oddly enough, I don't think I needed a hinge set up at all to hook that up anyway. But I'll deal with that. Future me will deal with that.
Did you already have an upgraded welder?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a bunch. So we already have 3,000 iron sitting over here in this building. Because I've just been dumping some iron.
Okay.
How much more does it need to do?
Energy low.
Oh, energy low. Give me my energy. Give me my energy. So I might go mine some platinum. Wait, do we set the drone to go mine the platinum
We could.
after this? I forget how far the platinum is. I'm kind of scared to turn the ore detector on because it's just going to be on my screen. Maybe I'll turn the ore detector on. I don't think I should change it, but I am going to. I'm going to do it from outside, actually. So I can just turn it off real quick with field vision. I think it's in that direction somewhere. Can't we see it with this? What is this at? There we go. That should show us the platinum. But it's not. Do you see platinum?
No.
No, I need a seat of some sort. And then to control the digger. I'll actually see what it's doing. Its job. Progress says 66. I'm actually going to stop its job. Fly it over to the other new connector and set up the home. I hope this isn't gonna be too close. I wish you could see right now how close I am. Where are you? Inside?
No,
You look like you're underneath me.
I'm outside the building.
Well, can you tell me how close I am to the armor around the cargo container?
You're not close at all.
Am I high enough to get over this?
Yeah,
I need you to line me up. The connector.
to the right.
There we go. Okay, let's set record path. Set home. This is home now. And then we're going to set up our path. Okay, let's hope that this thing doesn't crash. Let's not hope that this thing crashes. So I have not used Pam like this ever before. Okay, right about here, stop path. Set up my job. We're going to go 40. Make sure we do center 8 by 8. 48, so like let's do 55. Start center. Start a new job. I'm gonna chill in this for a little bit actually. Just to see if this thing tries to crash. I don't think it's gonna try to crash. State flying to docking area. This might have some issues, but this is how you learn something. I see it just crash instantly. I hope not, because this is currently our main way of getting resources. I want that unknown signal, but I want to make sure this is okay. So I can just let it go do its thing. Have you started transferring any of the materials from...
No,
Okay.
I can though.
Might use the rover? No. If the rover was connected, yeah. I could start working on that though. Connecting up the rover to the actual manufacturing in a better way.
Yeah.
Can you see me coming in at all? Or the...
No,
say
I'm
me.
not outside anymore.
What? Oh, you're not outside?
No.
Well, the drone's coming in and I can't really see how it's coming, but I want to stay in it, connecting it, ready to hit stop if I need to. Get bonked. We're good. We're loaded in. Get dropped off the stuff.
Yeah.
Now it's just going to recharge up and hopefully it's good. Should be all set up. Okay, I'm going to start grabbing stuff too. No, what I'm going to do what I said. I'm going to use this building. I just vented stuff without even thinking. Can I still use this building to get materials? You haven't started getting a bunch, right?
No.
Okay. I'm going to grab some steel plates. Am I? No. I'm gonna grab some interior plates. No. Do it this way. So I'm just gonna do it this way down from here. Can't do that. I gotta do this way and then that way. Let's grab these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can't grab anymore. I'm sorry for all the spam, but I could just turn this off for now then, since I can't help that, whatever the glitch that is.
Yeah.
Where it's just showing all those all the time, whether there's an ore detector on or not. Yeah, I'm gonna start putting stuff in this space and grabbing stuff from this space just to use up the components here for now. Are you building stuff in the other assembler now? No, I am.
What?
It automatically started queuing up the other assembler.
Yeah.
So I gotta get parts over there.
That's fine though.
Well, we need to get like materials over there. There's not enough of all the materials like silicon and nickel. Let's grab silicon and nickel and dump that over there. Let's weld up what we can first, because I know we picked something up. Okay, then we should just have ores and the steel plates. We did pretty good progress here. We got the manufacturing up and running, which was the goal. And then an elbow. No, I wouldn't even need the elbow. I could just do straight. I don't know what bar I'm looking for there. You can just do this though. Or not. I don't know what just happened there. Do not have steel plates. There we go. Okay, parking's off on that, and then I can just park this back up. Now it's actually hooked up to the base, which is nice. There we go.
Yay.
I'm staring into your blackness of your visor. Well, that wraps it up for episode 3 of this series. I hope you all enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next episode.
This video is sponsored by Volsung Industries, pushing the boundaries of space engineering one VIX at a time.